All right, I think it's recording. Hi, class. This is Pat, and I just wanted to um, try out recording my screen to kind of give you some, I guess, like tips for tomorrow's presentations. I know Zoom may be an unfamiliar platform for some, actually, a lot of people. Um, and you know, uh, this transition couldn't have come. Actually, it was this transition is. I'm just thanking everyone for their flexibility, and I just wanted to share my knowledge on how to, manage the presentations tomorrow. So I'm just gonna simulate a meeting that we would have tomorrow. So let me just start a new meeting. And if you have Zoom installed on your, I'm just gonna mute this. If you have Zoom installed on your computer, um, it'll look like this. I don't know if it will have the same capabilities if you're just using the Zoom from your browser. So first things first is let me just so it's the screen. You can download Zoom UCR. I'm just typing it in from UCR for free. Uh, just download it. I don't know if it auto downloads. Um, and you'll have, I think um, the basic account. So you'll have access to it. Pretty much just where you go, ucr.zoom.us /download. And then, so let's say you already have it and you're presenting tomorrow. Let's see, share screen. One participant can share at a time since I'm the host and Dr. Gutierrez is the host. I set the default to one participant can share at a time. So if you're presenting with a group, um, only one person, if you wanted someone else to share the screen or if you wanted me to share the screen, that's okay. So again, you have two options. You can have me go through your presentation materials, and you'll just say next slide, and I'll browse through your materials during that time. But if you wanted to take control of your presentation, um, I will change the sharing options to all participants, um, but only one participant can share at a time. So you would have to pick someone from your group to um, control your presentation. So let's say I did that. Um, and so I'm going to share my screen. Share screen. Um, uh, let's see. Screen share. And I'm going to share desktop 1. And so I think it is currently, I don't know what it's currently sharing. Ah, I'm freaking out. Okay. Oh, I see. I think it's sharing desktop 1. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Let's share Microsoft PowerPoint. This one, share. So I think it's currently sharing my PowerPoint right now. So this is just something that I pulled up from my desktop. And so if it's currently sharing right now, you just, I think if I put it on presentation mode, I would have to swap it. Swap displays. There we go. It'll look like that on your screen during Zoom. And then just browse through it and walk your group through it. I think you can annotate at the same time. Annotate. Oh wait, hold on. Annotate. Draw on it to make a point if you wanted to. How do I stop doing that? Yes. Yes. So, and then if you exit, it'll be like that. And let's see here. Let me just pause the share. And I don't think it's sharing that anymore. So yeah. And if you wanted to, like, for example, pull up, let's see, let's do screen share again. If you wanted to pull up something from the internet, for example, your website, bit.ly, and it'll just, everyone will just show your everyone will just see your desktop, bit.ly, let's see, ES Praxis, and you just want to like go through your website and show people, you know, like facets of your website. If you didn't have a PowerPoint, then that's totally fine as well. It's totally doable. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All I needed to show you was how to share it. Stop share, and yeah, I'm just gonna end the meeting. End meeting for all. All right, thank you. See you tomorrow.